એ ઊંઘતી નથી, સપના સાકાર કરે છે, એ વાતોથી નહીં કાર્યોથી ઇતિહાસ લખે છે. She doesn't sleep, she turns dreams into reality. She doesn't sleep, she turns dreams into reality. She doesn't make history with words, but make with action. અત્રે પધારેલ સાહેબજી શ્રી મૈત્રીરત્ન શ્રીજી મહારાજ સાહેબના ચરણમાં વંદન અને રુજુરત્ન શ્રીજી મહારાજ સાહેબના ચરણમાં વંદન. Wish you a very good morning to the very special guest sitting over here and all other guests. My name is Diyasha. Today I am going to talk about something that is not only bold idea but a brave move. It will not only bring revolution to the society but also good solution for the world's current needs. You must be thinking, what could be my topic? Okay, let me tell you, it's whether women should rule or not. Through past centuries, women have been suppressed for their basic rights. There have been conflict to whether women lead or not. And however, I will prove to you today that women can not only lead, but they can create legacies through their emotional intelligence, patience, and kindness. Women can not only handle homes better, but they can also run nation. ઘરની લક્ષ્મી ઘર સંભાળી શકે તો શું દેશ ના સંભાળી શકે? Let's go through few examples of history where women has lead and illustrated that women can make country feel proud. First, Rani Lakshmibai. Rani Lakshmibai fought to protect Jhansi. She was a woman but also a mother, but she never thought about her children and she fought with great courage. My second example is Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa dedicated her whole life to serve poor and orphans. She showed that love and kindness can bring great change to the world. My third example is Arunima Sinha. She was the first disabled woman to scale Mount Everest. Yes, you heard it right, in the world. It's not easy. She did it, but she did it even with her strong determination. My fourth example is Saina Nehwal. Saina Nehwal has made India proud by winning medals in Olympics. Not only once or twice, but three times. It's not easy. You name any field and a woman would have already set a benchmark in it for sure. Let's forget about the history. I will talk about a live example. Have you all know Maitriyatna Maharaj, right? She has been in Pole for many years and has highlighted the temples there. Who is founder of Jinagna Yuva Trust? Who has done many good deeds while staying in Pole till now? Any good deeds, be it Jinale management, fulfilling of needs to our sadharmics or Jivdaya. She has been doing it consistently without failing, and that is why she has achieved the title of Sashan Prabharika. Okay, so at the last, I would like to thank those two most important women because of whom we are celebrating this occasion. Who have given lots of efforts from their busy marriage life for us to awaken the skills of speaking English and speaking English confidently and powerfully. So thank you so much Pooja ma'am, thank you so much Prerna ma'am for teaching us, for tolerating us and for everything you did for us. Thank you. What do you think? Should women rule the world? Yes, they have the skills, the courage, and if they get an opportunity to lead, and she will definitely make this world a better place to live. Thank you so much for listening to me carefully. you.